let's take a quick look at the before and after. This mirror film makes a huge difference in rainy conditions. Now let's get it installed. Open up the package. You'll find 2 anti-fog waterproof films, 2 cleaning kits, and a squeegee. Start by using the cleaning kit to thoroughly clean the left side mirror. Make sure there's no dust or residue left. Next, grab the left side film. Peel off part of the layer labeled Step 1. Line it up carefully on the mirror and start applying it. As you stick it down, use the squeegee to smooth it out while gradually removing the rest of the Step 1 backing. Once it's fully applied, go over the surface and push out any air bubbles. Then peel off the top layer labeled Step 2. That's it for the left side. Repeat the exact same process on the right side. And you're all set. Your mirrors are now protected and much clearer in rain.